Good afternoon. Today I am speaking about sugarcane juice with lemon flavor. It is a natural beverage extracted from sugarcane. The juice lasts 30 days without losing its natural component. Its presentation will be 350 milliliters. The drink contains natural nutrients as calcium, phosphorus, and minerals as iron, magnesium, and potassium. Sugarcane is beneficial in the fight against cancer. Moisturizes, energizes, and refreshes the body with carbohydrates and proteins. The Coca-Cola is harmful to your health. Use is not. The cane juice is natural. Coca-Cola has color, sweeteners, and other chemicals. The sugarcane juice is cheaper than a soda.